Okay, so good evening, friends. Welcome to this special video. So today, we are going to see maybe a levels or maybe a call on commodity aluminium, MCX aluminium. Okay, so we'll see the price action and we'll see the target and stop loss. So if you are taking this trade, you can please comment in comment box, or if you are a commodity trader, so you can check it out. And soon, we are going to launch a special course particularly for commodity trading. Okay. So before proceeding further, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will get a regular updates whenever I am posting a new video. And the complete stock market course. Let me show you that the fundamentals advanced option trading course. So which is available at very low price, that is 2,500, and you have a excellent videos and still more some automations video are in lined up, and you can see this course content. Okay, so derivatives and basics options and particular trading view indicators and option buying strategies and spread strategies and start straddle strategies. Everything is available along with the course materials, and you can subscribe to this course. Okay, so it's running with an excellent offer. Almost 60% of offer is running out. Okay, so even EMI option also available. This course link is given in description. You can make use of this course. Okay, yes. So let's move on to the trade setup. See, guys, today I have taken a trade on aluminium. You can see this one. So these two trades, one is normal order and is intraday order. This two trade, I have made a profit of 2,000 rupees. See, this particular trade itself, I made a profit around 2 to 3% in a single trade. Okay, so you would have come across most of the traders are making profit in thousands or lakhs. That is different case. For that, for my investment, I'm making 2%. Okay, so and apart from this, today I made a trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty, almost 1,500 or 2,000, and today total my profit is around 4,000 rupees. Okay, so these trades are my personal trade. I have taken a position in IRCTC and ITC. So let me okay, so this is what my trades. Let me come back to the positions here. See this, friends, MCX aluminium 2 hours time frame. Okay, so this particular region, it is a retracement region, right? This particular region is a retracement region. So previously, aluminium has break out this region and made high and came down. Again, it has made high and came down. So this region, it is given retracement. Again, it came high. Again, it made it yesterday. It made a huge fall. Okay, and again today it made high. Again, it is a fall. Again, the reversal zone. So this region I have taken a trade actually. Okay, so I am supposed to make an entry over here and keep this as a stop loss. This is what my actual plan. But I closed my trade very early. Okay, but now the trade will be you can take up this trade. So you can take up a trade maybe if we are taking now. Okay, so this particular trade, or you can watch it, guys, no problem. So aluminium will make 206 soon. Okay, so once it is entering, this is what actually a retracement zone. So once it is making here, you can keep this as a stop loss, and minimum 2 to 3 points you may get in aluminium, MCX aluminium. Okay, so the investment is around 1 lakh rupees, and you may get 10 to 15,000 very easily. Okay, so this you can keep as a stop loss. So this is 2 hour time frame. You can trade this one. You can see here RSI is going to break your moving average. So expected some good move in MCX aluminium. So hope if you are taking up a trade, or if you are like this video, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And if you want to trade, if you want to know how to trade this type of trade setups, and if you want to know the price action, do subscribe our course. Okay, so this kind of videos and algo tradings, everything is there in our course. You can make it out. Okay, so okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching.